So what are some red flags? Ultimately, the code is clean is like super cheesy phrase that we like to use over at RugDoc because like I said, these contracts are immutable. What is written in a contract, it's done. Once you have that, there's nothing else that can be changed in terms of adding a function. So if you understand that the code is clean, that can't be changed in the future. Um, so check your code or let us check your code for you. Make sure that it's clean. If it's not, well, that's going to be a giant red flag. If a contract is not verified, that's also really suspicious. So make sure that the contract is something that you can actually read on top of being the actual contract that you are interacting with. You can also look at things that are softer elements like socials and community activity. Does the dev seem to be active and engaged? Do they have an actual history? Does the team, like the moderators and whoever is working on this project, do they have a known history? Is the history a good one or a bad one? Is the community being treated fairly respectfully, and are there questions being answered? Or when the community has concerns, does the team kind of move around it and decide to not answer or just straight up ban people or like mute their chat? That's a huge red flag.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
When suddenly the chat goes dark, ugh, be concerned. Um, Sudden stealth launches are also something that we're seeing now. I think with the rise of people understanding how to utilize us as a tool and or just check their own contracts, it's harder to slip in these exploits and rugs. It really is. You have to be a clever team to create an innovative rug.
Mhm.
Um, or you just need to try and move really fast, get some TVL in there, and then just like rug it before we've even had a chance to look at it or before the community has had a chance to really review your contract. So these days when we see a project just like literally come out of nowhere and like just immediately start their project like with nothing going on or like minimal advertising or just like no time, that is a bit of a red flag for us because it could just be that they're just going to try and like throw a rug up, wait 15 minutes, and then just like peace out.
Yeah.
Um, yeah, if you can read your code or at least just like go through a contract and literally control F, as simple as that for like proxy or migrator, that's going to be a red flag because those are both functions that can be used to pull off a rug or some other terrible exploit. And any dev at this point who tells you that they need a migrator is absolutely full of shit because migrators have been around uh, popularly since PancakeSwap because PancakeSwap said that that was going to be how that they were going to deal with their upgrades and everything. But for their version 2, PancakeSwap got rid of their migrator. If PancakeSwap does not need a migrator, neither do you. Like at the end of the day, there's many other ways to deal with upgradability of your contract, and it does not involve a migrator in there.